Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with a curious eye and a discerning mind. Today, we're looking at a product that's not just about skincare. It's about versatility, sustainability, and ethical sourcing. Meet Dr. Bronner's Pure-Castile Magic Liquid Soap in the Baby Unscented formula. This is a plant-based, all-purpose liquid soap that promises gentle cleansing for everything from your face and body to laundry and even dishes. Dr. Bronner's soap stands out with its rich, thick lather that rinses cleanly, leaving skin feeling refreshed without any harsh residue. It's made with over 70% certified organic and fair trade ingredients, including regenerative organic oils. The unscented formula is free from synthetic detergents or foaming agents, making it a solid choice for sensitive skin, babies, and anyone seeking a truly natural product. And here's something that often surprises people. It's about 3 times more concentrated than typical liquid soaps, meaning a little goes a long way. You can dilute it for various household uses, from washing your hands and body to cleaning makeup brushes or even laundry. On top of that, the packaging is thoughtful too, using post-consumer recycled plastic to reduce environmental impact. In terms of usability, I've incorporated this soap into my routine for hand washing, facial cleansing, and even as a gentle body wash. What immediately stood out is the lather. It's rich and creamy, yet easy to rinse off without leaving any slippery residue. The Baby Unscented version is subtle, so it doesn't clash with perfumes or skincare products, and it hasn't caused any irritation even on my most sensitive skin days. Because it's so concentrated, I've been able to dilute it for different purposes without losing effectiveness, which feels both economical and sustainable. There are many strong points here. The soap's texture is luxurious despite being unscented, the multi-purpose design adds real value, and the ethical sourcing and sustainable packaging align with conscious consumer expectations. On the flip side, it does require a bit of attention when diluting, as using it straight can feel strong on the skin for some, and the scent, or lack of one, might not appeal to those who enjoy fragrant cleansers. When it comes to value for money, considering that 1 gallon can last months across multiple uses, it's hard to beat. You're not just paying for a body wash, you're getting a versatile, multi-use product that's gentle, effective, and ethically produced. Compared to standard liquid soaps or body washes, Dr. Bronner's may have a higher upfront cost, but the long-term savings and multi-functionality justify it. The build quality is solid. The recycled plastic bottle feels sturdy and practical, and the concentration means fewer trips to restock. As for longevity, the formula remains consistent over time, retaining its gentle yet effective cleansing properties without separation or drying out. While I haven't had direct interactions with customer support, Dr. Bronner's is known for a strong reputation in addressing customer inquiries and maintaining product quality. If you're curious about alternatives, simple unscented liquid soaps exist at a lower price point, but they often lack the versatility and organic, fair trade formulation that makes Dr. Bronner's stand out. For anyone prioritizing ethical sourcing, eco-conscious packaging, and multi-use efficiency, it's a standout option. Overall, Dr. Bronner's Pure-Castile Magic Liquid Soap delivers on its promises. It's gentle, effective, and incredibly versatile. It works well for sensitive skin, daily cleansing, and even household chores. If you're someone who values sustainability, multi-purpose products, and quality natural ingredients, this soap is worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab this product is in the comments or description box. If you've used this soap before, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how you've incorporated it into your routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.